Hi everyone, it's Emma from Team Homan. Today I'm going to be doing one of my favorite recipes from the thinkbeef.ca website. I'm going to be doing a roasted vegetable penne with a beef and lentil bolognese. Stay with me here and I'll show you what I'm doing. On the Think Beef website, you can see the recipe here, so looking to achieve this at the end. It's really easy to follow. Something I like to do is to lay out all of my ingredients ahead of time, just so I know what it's ready to cut, what I have to do. And there's the beef ready to go. Okay, so I've heated up some olive oil in Dutch oven. And now I'm going to add in the chopped vegetables. So we've got onions, carrots, celery, and garlic in here. I'm gonna let this simmer for about 5 minutes, stirring often. And then we'll add in the beef. Now that the vegetables have softened, I'm slowly adding in the beef. Also add in the spices here, stir it up. For 5 minutes until all the beef is browned. At this point, once I know all the beef is cooked all the way through and a little bit browned, I'm going to add in the wine. So we're gonna cook this for 2 minutes, and then we're adding in the tomatoes, lentils, and 2 cups of water. I've reduced the heat to a medium-low, and we are gonna simmer this partially covered and occasionally stirring it for about 30 to 40 minutes until it's thickened and the lentils are cooked through. At that point, we're gonna remove it from the heat. While the sauce is simmering, I tried to get the vegetables all chopped that we are gonna roast in the oven. We try to cut them into about 1-inch chunks. We've got zucchini here, red pepper, and some eggplant. Now, in a bowl, we're gonna combine the olive oil, the garlic, the Italian seasoning, salt, and pepper. So whisk this all together. If it looks like a lot of garlic, it's because it probably is. I love garlic and I can never have too much. So I'm just whisking this all together here. Make sure it's nice and mixed. Now we're gonna add all our vegetables into the oil mixture. Slide them in here. And then we're gonna toss to make sure to coat all of them into the olive oil and all the spices. Now with the oven on to 425, we're gonna put the vegetables evenly onto a pan and into the oven. Once the water's boiling, we're gonna add the penne noodles. It's a whole wheat penne, and we're gonna cook them as to the package directions. So however long it says, cook it that long, and then we're gonna strain them. Once the sauce has simmered for 35 to 40 minutes and it has reduced, we have some chopped basil here. So we're gonna add the basil into the sauce, mix it in, and then we'll keep it off the heat until the vegetables are done and until the penne is cooked. After about 15 to 20 minutes, we take the vegetables out of the oven and they should be nice and soft and ready to add to the sauce. Once we've mixed everything together here, the next steps is to add in some ricotta cheese on the top. So we're just gonna try to evenly spread this out. And then we're adding in mozzarella cheese on top as well. Once it's all added, we're going to cover it and put it in the oven to bake. Once it's cooked for 20 to 25 minutes and the cheese is bubbly, we're gonna pull it out of the oven and we're finally ready for dinner. Now that we have our final product here, it looks pretty good. Some of my favorite things about the recipe is you can add whatever vegetables you would like to suit your family's needs. If you'd like an extra bit of a kick, you can add some chili flakes, but also this is a really healthy meal and it's a fantastic source of protein. So definitely try it and make it for your family. It's thinkbeef.ca.